to set vlog. So my day kind of already started. It's like the afternoon. We're gonna do some cleaning. If you've watched my other videos, you know I do these monthly goals and I review my last month's goals and just see how well I did. Yeah, and I already got a Starbucks too. Pumpkin cream cold brew again, because it is so good. This might be just a really short video, and that's fine because I'm kind of proud of myself that I have been being more consistent, just putting videos out weekly for you all, and I'm so glad that you guys like it. Already made my bed. I wanted to fix up these, like, my ear wall. Yeah, I did get a new one. Maybe kind of like a spoiler because this is gonna come out before that video comes out, so yeah, just it's okay. I want to clean up my desk, my dresser area. Every month I let it get super messy. I don't know why. I need to get with it. And yes, the fan is on because we do not have AC right now. Florida people know. We will try to do this as quickly as we can before I start to sweat. And every month I try to start the month off by painting my nails a new color, SC nail polish. I am so excited. This one is more fall and this one's like a nice everyday kind of light pink one. I'm leaning more towards the fall one because it's literally fall now. The weather might not be like it, but it is fall. I'm manifesting cooler weather. I feel put together when my nails are a cute color. I wish I could light this candle right now, but it's too hot for that, so just admire this little guy right here. Setup? I think I'm playing a very dangerous game with these. Could fall into the abyss. It's okay. It's cute. And there's my birdie. I just added the newest edition. Can you guess which one it is? I love this wall. Comment down below if you know which one is the new Disney ears I got. Before I show you, I wanted to review the September goals I had. The first one was to complete a LinkedIn learning course or like a marketing course online. I actually participated in the Girls in Marketing Digital Marketing internship program. It was a 3-day event, virtual, and it was a lot of fun. I did learn a lot. I think it was a great experience overall, so I am crossing it off. This is gonna expose me so bad. My next goal was to finish reading that summer book. Let's just say I read some. I'm still not done. I just have to accept this fact about me at this point that I am not a book person. I just can't sit down and read a book. But I wish I was one of those people that could just cozy up and read for like hours and hours on end, but I'm not built that way. That's not getting crossed off, sadly. The next goal was to go to 4 Disney parks. I ended up going to actually 3 of them. I went to Epcot, Magic Kingdom, and Hollywood Studios. I'm sorry I didn't get to go to Animal Kingdom. The day I was gonna go, I was scheduled to work, so it is in the October plan. I am planning to go in October. I didn't make it a goal, but I know I will be going in October. 3 out of 4. I am crossing it off. So, the last goal I had for September was to vlog more content for YouTube. I am very proud of myself because that did end up happening. I have been posting regularly every Sunday at 9 a.m. So much fun to edit. I love rewatching this video. It is a lot of work still, but I have been being consistent and that's paying off because now I have a lot of videos lined up. For my October goals. I already wrote them down, like a retro vibe, I don't know, and the little pumpkins. My first goal is to continue posting on YouTube. I will keep doing that because that has been honestly keeping me on track and productive, and I just really like making these videos for my future self and for you guys that watch it. My second goal, I don't know if I'd call it a goal, but I wrote it down just so I remember to get it done, but I want to get a haircut. Maybe it's because we don't have AC right now and it's really hot outside. I love it, but at the same time it is a lot of work. I'm just ready for a new look, so I'm gonna cut it. Maybe not too short. A lot of this is gonna go. Then my third goal is to meet more people in the Disney College program or people who have been accepted and are looking for roommates. So yeah, I'm gonna try to reach out to a few more people I meet online through Instagram or other forms of social media. Hopefully link up with a roommate because I don't know what to do. My next goal is to save some money, but I want to save some money for this program and for everything else I will be needing. My last goal is a pretty fun one, I think. I want to get over my fear of roller coasters. I probably should have not said that. Yes, I am terrified of roller coasters. I went on one like once in SeaWorld and I hated it. It was like those kiddie rides, like kiddie roller coasters. I was so scared. If I'm gonna be working at Disney, I need to at least ride a few rides at Disney, and maybe I've changed. Maybe I do like it. I realized that I do like the adrenaline rush of like Star Wars, Rise of Resistance, and those like simulator rides. I love those. Oh, maybe I've changed and now I like the rush of adrenaline. So I want to go to Disney and ride more rides, if that makes sense, and just experience that. Part of that goal was to ride more rides, but I also want to go to Disney with my brother Benji. We always have so much fun. We're like that dynamic duo you see on TV or something. He's so silly and he brings out like the silly in me and the goofy side, and yeah, we're both so unserious when we're together. So we're gonna try to go to more parks with Benji. I've decided which color I want to do my nails. It's this one. It's so cute. I'm gonna paint that right now and I will update you when I'm done. So this video quickly became a 2-day vlog. I forgot to pick up the camera and film after I had done my nails, and then I had work, and then it was a whole thing. So let me just do this real quick to finish out this video and do the outro. So don't mind me, this is a couple days later. So I did do my nails. They came out like this, maroon wine color. It's so cute, but I love them, and I promise there will be a lot more fall content coming up real soon. Yeah, so thank you for watching and I will see you in another video. Bye.